Hi girls, welcome back. It's lovely to have everyone back on campus. What a term, the weirdest term that I've ever known as a teacher in over 30 years. So much has changed so quickly. We now all have this app on our phone to keep us safe. It feels like only yesterday that I was making plans with Miss Andrews to travel to the USA on the Year 10 exchange with a tremendous group of St Catherine's girls. I was really looking forward to visiting Ethel Walker in Connecticut. Miss Andrews was really looking forward to visiting Tower Hill in Delaware. And we were going to host a gathering of our old girls in New York. This was going to happen just 8 weeks ago. Only a few short weeks ago, we were watching villagers in Italy joyfully singing on their balcony, playing instruments, creating almost an orchestra in their small streets. And now we view across the globe streets with thousands of protesters, a level of violence repeating itself all too often around the world. Racial tension spurred by the COVID-19 pandemic, coupled with the Black Lives Matter movement, is creating a world of uncertainty. At times when I watch the news in the evening, I feel almost a state of confusion and fear about what I'm watching. When I spoke to my colleague, a principal leading a girls' school in New York, the Dwight School, she described her community as feeling raw and in shock. This is a disruption that is challenging our thinking and perhaps creating a new normal. Former President Barack Obama recently shared a message to the class of 2020. This is our Year 12 girls, noting that building a new normal in the wake of today's challenges will require the engagement of young people. The class of 2020 doesn't just include the leaders of tomorrow. Many are already working for change in their own communities today. My question for everyone, what are you doing in your community? What we do know is that we must remember the importance of collaboration over isolation, the importance of being a member of a community that cares for others and allows kindness to be a force for good. Perhaps these uncertain times are a wake-up call. They're an incredible opportunity for our generation, for your generation. You don't have to accept the world the way it is. You can create a world that is fairer and gives everyone opportunity, builds bridges between people instead of dividing them. My inspiration for this assembly comes from the words of Nelson Mandela. No one is born hating another person because of the colour of their skin or their background or their religion. People must learn to hate, and if they can learn to hate, they can learn to be taught to love, for love comes more naturally to the human heart than its opposite. Our inspiration comes from you girls every day. Watching your fresh, happy faces walking in the gate was wonderful yesterday. Our Year 7, 8s and 9s bring a youthful enthusiasm to the campus. So I want you to have a great day, a great week 9 and a great week 10. And always remember to look out for the well-being of our community.